Hi, I'm Danielle. What do you call a sheet of paper that speaks for you when you aren't present and highlights your most rewarding, memorable, and hardworking moments? A resume. A resume is a document that is created and used to highlight your background, skills, and accomplishments. These are most common when applying for a job, but can also be used as you transition into college. You always want to have one created and updated because it could be used in the general scholarship application, for competitive programs, private scholarships, and it serves as a great place to keep track of everything you do. Let's first do a quick review of what information should go on your resume and the recommended order. Include your name, phone number, and a professional email address. You'll want your email to be simple, like your first and last name, and maybe your favorite number. Refrain from using your school email address since that will not be a permanent way of contacting you. The first section of your resume can be labeled as education. You'll include your high school or schools and the year that you attended with your graduation date and test scores. Your next section will either be your work experience, community service involvement, or clubs and organizations that you participate in. Prioritize the section that has the most information and list your involvement from most recent to oldest by the year. Including a section with your skills or hobbies adds more personalization to your resume and gives reviewers the opportunity to get to know you outside of your academic or professional involvement. If you need more guidance, you can find templates online with a quick search. Try to keep it as simple as possible with font, color, and size. Have fun creating your resume, but don't forget the important things.